Hello everybody. CHD Group is a multiple award-winning public health organization holding UN ECOSOC special consultative status. This year, we have also launched the Edward and Cynthia Institute of Public Health at Mangalore. Being in the public health space, our work has direct bearing on COVID-19 outcomes, sustainable development goals, and the kind of future we imagine collectively. Health is not stethoscope and pills. It must be envisaged from a social, environmental, cultural, and economic determinants of health. Mission ICU was born out of an idea propelled by Dr. Ashwin Nayak, Manoj Shah, and myself. It initially started off as an idea. It matured into an evergreen pathway that serves to enkindle lives who frantically entered the corridors of the hospital in need of hope and whose exit remains questionable. Patients with serious illness who entered the ICU do not really know if they would go back from the same doors. The lives we touch cannot be measured by cold statistics, but actually appreciated in the remembering. The patients now benefit from Mission ICU are those whom we will never meet, our donors would never meet, yet somewhere deep down, that thing which sits inside of us and tells us that communities are doing well because we live. Mission ICU has enabled plugging critical gaps in Tier 2 and Tier 3 towns of Karnataka. Our 10 beds are standardized, follow a due diligence process, offers not just installation but also maintenance support. As on date, we've added 50 beds in 5 districts with 150 more bed commitment received. The beauty of this exercise is that we are preparing not just for a COVID-19 waves in the future, but for a post-COVID-19 world where climate change adds cascading risk to human existence and survival, let alone aggravating the burden of infectious diseases, non-communicable diseases, and natural disasters. Samrid's blended finance, supported by USAID, is a welcome approach which has enabled us to add more fuel to the spark that lit the fire, for which we are eternally grateful. I would take this opportunity to thank all our stakeholders who've believed in us, who've believed in the idea of Mission ICU to leave behind a better, meaningful, and inclusive world. Thank you very much.